Hello again, it's time for another Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today another look at prepositions of position. We're looking today at the preposition in. For example, what do you have in your hand? What do you have in your mouth? There's no one in the room, or there's no one in the garden or in the building. When we were in Italy, we spent a few days in Rome. I have a friend in Italy who lives in a small village in the mountains. And there are some people swimming in the pool or swimming in the sea, in the river. So there we are. English grammar, prepositions of position, the preposition in, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.